Want to know the exact Google Ads strategy that's flooding my clients with high quality leads? So in this video, I'm going to be pulling back the curtains and showing you the exact Google Ads strategy I use to generate a steady stream of leads for my service business clients. I'm not just talking theory here. I'm talking about real results that I got for a client here. Here's what they got last month. So by the end of this video, you'll know my step-by-step process I use to set up killer Google Ads campaigns for service businesses, the exact method I use to track conversions, as well as the tools and softwares I use on a day-to-day for campaign management. And every day that you're not using this strategy, you're losing out to your competitors and missing out on potential leads that could grow your business. So let's hop into my computer and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. So after I'm done doing all the keyword research based on what my client needs and what services they want to focus on, I start out by building out the actual campaign and then the ad groups. And so within each ad group here, I'll put AG for ad group. You have an ad group 1, and within the ad group, you have the keywords as well as the ads. And then the ads, they point to a landing page. And I'll show you what my client's landing page looks like. It's basically a landing page with like a clear call to action, a nice headline, and a form submission, and a few call to action buttons to call to schedule a free quote. And so we have ad group here, and then the second ad group will be another service. So for example, this client is a junk removal client. And for ad group 1, we want it to be mainly our general junk removal keywords. And so keywords like junk removal near me, let's say junk location. And then for our second ad group here, we'll have keywords that are more specific. And so these are people that are looking to, I'll say, remove something out of the house that's considered junk to them. And so there could be like a furniture or couch. So we can just say couch removal, or sometimes furniture removal, depending on the mesh type that you use for these keywords. Both of these terms will show up inside the search terms. And so once I have the campaign and everything built out here, I start to work on the landing page. And the landing page software that I use is called Unbounce. And right here, you'll see an actual example of the landing page that we're using here. So as you can see right here, we have the phone number at the top, a before and after picture, just to show a little bit of proof of what my client does as far as services, a form submission so that people can opt in based on whether they want, what services they want to opt in for and whatnot. Some other additional information that they can read as far as like the steps on how the service actually works. And then a quick video that my client created going over how their services work and how they price their service overall. Some call to action buttons here just for people to click to call or scroll back up to the form, and then some testimonials toward the bottom here, and then a wrap up with a call to action to call or fill out the form. So that's how this Unbounce landing page is set up. And then what we have here is we have overall tracking set up within this Unbounce landing page. And what I recommend using is either one of two tracking services. It's called What Converts or CallRail. And so what both of these tracking services do, they track the calls, so you can listen to the calls and you can see the phone numbers and whatnot. And then also you can track the form submissions, as well as within each lead that comes through, you can put a dollar amount if you want to track revenue that your client is getting and feed that information back into the actual campaign itself, which works well, which allows you to show your client that, hey, you spent $1,000 this month and you made $20,000 off your services. And so they're profitable. So if you're able to show the client that you're profitable and that the campaign is actually working, there's no reason why they shouldn't want to invest more money into the campaign and scale this thing out. And then alongside of the Google Ads campaign running, what I also encourage majority of my clients that are local service providers is that they have a campaign called the LSA, which is a local service ad. And what this does, it allows your ads to show up mainly at the very top of the Google search results page. And so I'm gonna show you exactly what that looks like here. So as you can see right here, I just typed in junk removal Fort Worth, and at the very top, you see that we have the local service ads at the very top, and it's way above the search results page. I mean, the Google ads that show up on the search results page. And this allows you to receive phone calls as well as messages in the form of a text message or email that comes directly to your phone. And you're able to basically communicate with these leads as soon as possible and close them. And the main thing I like best about the local service ads is that it's a pay per lead model, which means you only pay for the lead and for the click. And when you're using the pay per lead model, Google allows you to dispute leads where you can get a credit. And so let's say you get 2 leads today and one of these leads pan out to be not a good lead or a spam, you can get a credit back by just simply filling out a survey on that lead within the Google, the local service ad platform, and Google will credit your money back instant. Or even like lead that calls you and they hang up the phone and their call is only like maybe 2 or 3 seconds, you don't get charged for that lead as well. You get credited back or you don't get charged at all. So that's why I like supplementing the local service ads with the Google ads, because you're able to just the pay per lead model as well as the Google ads strategy that I just went over earlier in the video. And if you want to see a quick case study of that local service campaign that I just showed, there's a video right here at the top that you can click and watch. And if you're a local service business owner or an agency that's looking to white label your Google Ads services, then you can click the link down below and schedule a quick strategy call where you can just select the time on my calendar and we can talk about strategies and how I can help set this up for you as well. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching. See ya.